So here we have a next topic, that is HTML. Though we'll read this topic in detail in the next chapters, in the coming chapters, here we have a very short description, very short introduction of this HTML. So let's start the topic again. HTML we have already discussed in the previous classes, that is hypertext markup language. A language through which we can design, we can frame, we can make web pages. So the World Wide, let's start. The World Wide Web is an exciting new medium bringing information, images, advertising, and what not to every desktop. Do you know that everything that you see on the web is documents written in a special language called HTML, that is hypertext markup language? This language tells the browser like Mosaic, Netscape, Navigator, Internet Explorer how to display text, pictures, links on the screen. So basically this language, the aim of this language is to tell the browser how to show the images, pictures, text, animations, audio, video on the screen. कैसे आपके वेब पे दिखाई देगा, वहाँ पे इमेजेस कैसे आएंगी, एनिमेशन कैसे आएगा, पिक्चर्स कैसे आएंगी, उनको दिखाने के लिए किस पर, स्क्रीन के ऊपर, थ्रू वेब ब्राउजर्स जो हम यूज़ लेते हैं वो HTML होता है. HTML was invented in 1990s by Tim Berners-Lee. हम लोगों को पता है, मैंने शायद क्लास में डिस्कस भी किया हुआ है. टिम बर्नर्स-ली के द्वारा इसको 1990 में डेवलप किया गया था. As you can make out from the full form of HTML, that is hypertext markup language, that it is a markup language for hypertext. Hypertext we have already discussed. एक ऐसा टेक्स्ट जिसमें टेक्स्ट भी हो, इमेजेस भी हो, एनिमेशंस भी हो, ऑडियो भी हो, वीडियो हो भी हो, सब कुछ हो, और हाइपर लिंक्स भी हों. Let us understand the terms that make up HTML. Hypertext. Hypertext is a special text or a special type of digital text, you can say digital text, that contains links to the other text. एक जगह आप जब क्लिक करते हैं तो you go to the another text. So it contains a link to the other text. It is just the way web operates. You find many links on a web page, clicking on which takes you to the other pages. आप जब लिंक पे, as and when you click it on any link, you move to the next page or the another page. Now markup. Markup, it refers to special symbols or instructions indicating the format, style and structure for an electronic document or web page. मार्कअप क्या है? एक ऐसे फॉर्मेट्स हैं जस्ट अ मिनट एक ऐसे फॉर्मेट्स हैं या स्टाइल्स और स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं जो कि किसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए स्पेशल सिंबल्स होते हैं. ठीक है. और व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लैंग्वेज? दैट इज मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. It is a set of standards, some set of rules, some set of standards, well-designed tags and structures to create an appropriate markup scheme for an electronic document such as web pages. Now consider the following figure that shows HTML markup and its final results. We are not going into details of HTML here, as a later chapter is completely dedicated to HTML only. So now here they have discussed only a few important tags of HTML. Number one is the HTML tag itself. HTML is a tag, most important tag, जिसके बिना कोई भी HTML पेज या वेब पेज नहीं क्रिएट हो सकता. तो this is a container tag. Container tag means it is when it is started, it is closed also. So we have got starting tag as well as closing tag. Then HTML tag के बाद we have got one body tag. Body means the main content of the web page. Actual content of the web page is enclosed, always enclosed in body tag. And H1 is a head one, heading tag. कैसे वो दिखाई देगा? तो here is the code and here is the result. You can see the result of this code on the web page. Now as you can see, the part of above figure shows the markup like something like HTML body H1, whatever you write in H1, then closing body and closing HTML tag. So there are various tags of HTML that defines a markup In details, you will learn about HTML in the coming chapter. So we rest here our discussion here.